In today's video, I am going to teach you how to launch your Shopify store for free. We are going to keep this simple and focus on the key settings you need to get your store live without paying for extra design tools or a custom domain. The goal here is to use Shopify's free built-in options so you can launch quickly and start selling as soon as possible. First, go to your online store section and open Themes. From there, install the Dawn theme. Dawn is Shopify's free default theme, and it is a great choice for a first store because it is clean, fast, and easy to customize. If you want to launch for free, this is one of the best ways to do it. You do not need to spend money on a premium theme to get started. Next, go to your products and check your store to make sure you actually have products ready to launch. This is an important part of the setup because your storefront needs something for customers to browse and buy. Review your product listings carefully and make sure the essentials are there before you go live. After that, open Settings, then go to Shipping and Delivery. Here, configure your free shipping rates. This is where you decide how customers will receive shipping at no extra cost. Make sure your free shipping setup is clear and active, since shipping settings directly affect the checkout experience. Then go back into Settings and click on Policies. Shopify gives you the option to generate your legal policies automatically. This is a very helpful feature when you are launching quickly, because it gives your store the basic legal pages customers expect to see. Generate those policies and keep them in place, so your store looks more complete and professional. To save money, keep the default store URL instead of buying a custom domain right away. That means you will continue using the built-in Shopify web address for now. It may not be as branded as a custom domain, but it allows you to launch your store for free and upgrade later when you are ready. Once that is done, go to Online Store and then Preferences. In this area, find the option that limits access to visitors with a password. Uncheck that box, then click Save. This is the final step that makes your store publicly accessible so customers can actually visit it. At this point, your free Shopify store is ready to launch using Shopify's built-in tools and settings. That covers everything you need to know.